So what are we doing today? Today I'm going to show you how to do this text on picture effects using PicsArt. And without further philandering, let's just skip the talk and get into action. 3, 2, 1. So I already opened up PicsArt. Go ahead and add the picture you want to use. I'll be using this one. The first thing we want to do is go to effects. Now under the effects, look for black and white. This one here, and save it. Now you want to go to tools and go to curves. We want to darken this a little bit, just a little bit, so something like this. Press OK. Now the next thing I want to do is crop this picture. Now we want to go to draw. Now we want to select our brush tool because we'll be painting the background. Now make sure your brush is set to something like this and press set. And now the next thing you want to do is very simple. You just want to go around like this. And yes, that will bring us to the end of the video. That is how you can make this text effect using PicsArt. I hope you enjoyed this video. So on a serious note, this is what you want to do. Now once you're done with the painting, you want to go back to your layer and we want to match this one, something like this. Now go on and create a new layer, change the blend mode to screen, and now what we want to add is our word cloud. You can go to Google and search for wordcloud.png. There are tons of them online, or you can simply check my description box, in which I'll put a link so you can download from there also. So moving on, just click on add here and add new photo. Want to use this first, so you just want to resize this a little bit. Click on OK. Now we'll be adding another empty layer. Don't forget to change the blend mode to screen, and we'll be adding another word cloud. Okay, let's use this one here. And now we want to add the new layer. Just go on till you fill the empty space in the picture. So now we want to merge all our word clouds together. Now I'll be starting from this one here, the second to the last. So go on and merge it to the last one. Now you want to select this one to merge it to the last one, and also this one, merge it to the last one. Now change the blend mode of everything all together to multiply. So you should get something like this. Okay, so I need to paint this. It also displays too. and that is that. And now you want to go to effects. Still on our FX, you want to choose film here, and after that you want to tap on it again, and we'll increase the fade to something like 90, 80, yeah, something like this. And we want to go on and save this. And yes, that is how to do this simple text effects. Let me know what you think about the video in the comments box. Smash that like button, and if you enjoy what I do, please subscribe to the channel. Until next time I come your way, see ya, catch ya later.